Welcome Sunset Motors. My name is Frank Gerard. We're located in West Tennessee. Got a beautiful 2015 GMC Terrain. This is a top of the line Denali. Summit white in color. Got some nice 18-inch chrome wheels with Michelin tires. It's got the backup camera, backup sensors. It's all-wheel drive. Makes it real safe in the wintertime. These are great SUVs. They're sporty looking, comfortable, and affordable when they get a few years old. Got the nice GMC grills, got automatic headlights, fog lights. It does have remote engine start. You just lock it, push and hold this button, and it cranks it right up. That's nice for the winter time or summer. You can get the climate control going from inside the house. It's got keyless entry. It's got a good Carfax non-smoker. We've got blind spot monitor system. This little icon will flash orange when someone's in your blind spot. Got power windows, power locks, power mirrors. It's got the upgraded Pioneer sound system. Beautiful trim with the red stitching. Nice heated leather seats. As you can see, they're like new. No sign of wear. But the stitching makes it look really nice. It's got the all-weather floor mat. I also have the original cloth mats. Everything's nice and clean. Leather wrapped steering wheel. All you do now is stick the key in the ignition, turn it, and boom. How about the miles? 20,987. That is low miles for 2015. That's like, what, 5,000 miles a year? Get your cruise control, lane departure warning system, collision avoidance system. It lets you know if you get up too quick, too close on somebody. Got voice command, Bluetooth for your phone. There's all your audio control, front rear wiper control, automatic headlights. This one's also equipped with the navigation system. It's got nice resolution. Get your backup camera, AM FM, Sirius satellite. It's got CD player, heated seat control here. Got your automatic climate control. You just dial the temperature you want. Nice control. 6-speed automatic transmission with manual shift. If you want to shift, you can toggle right here. Traction control. And here you've got your USB and auxiliary input. I have the owner's manual. Original window sticker. Right at $38,795. So pretty good savings. Got your auto dimming rearview mirror, OnStar. Got your power sunroof. Very nice. That's your universal garage door opener, home link. Got your trip computer. They're fun to drive. They're economical. And they have decent room. Lots of room in the back seat. Got nice wheels, good tires. Got your power lift gate. Push the button on the remote and it opens right up. Got your cargo mat. Got your all-weather floor mats in the back, and that's your original clean cloth floor mat. The back seat lays down forward too for some extra cargo space. Got power seats and lumbar support for the passenger also. Keep everyone comfortable. Got a fuel efficient 2.4 liter 4-cylinder, plenty of power, up to 30 miles per gallon on the highway. That's not bad for SUV. Been serviced, ready to go, and this one still got the good warranty. That's when they had the 5-year 100,000 on the powertrain. So in this case, I believe it's October of this year or 100,000 mile, whichever comes first. With the low miles, obviously the time's gonna get it first. I can sell you an extend warranty if you want to extend that, but it does come with a warranty from GM. Looking for a sharp SUV, luxury SUV, a light new condition at an affordable price? This is it right here. To see if this terrain is still for sale, go to my website, sunsetmotors.com. If it's on the website, it's for sale. If not, you're too late and it's gone. I do have very competitive financing available with low interest rate and good terms. Create applications on the website. You can fill that out and I'll see what I can do for you. Worldwide shipping is also available. To get a shipping quote, if you have any other question, you can call or text anytime, 731-686-8800. Thank you for watching and come and see us.